Today's video I'm going to talk to you about DIY. I had a call a couple of weeks ago from David, and he had inadvertently drilled through a power cable in the wall. Now, if David had had a stud detector or a cable detector device, which are relatively cheap from the DIY stores, he wouldn't have hit himself into this problem. Lost all the circuits in his house because of the type of consumer unit, and he chiseled out the wall to find out what he had done. Now, David had a socket on his wall, quite low down. However, had drilled in up here. Cables for sockets and even switches will either go up and down, left and right. So in David's case, the cables were coming down. There was a bit of protection from some capping in the wall, but he had drilled through, commonly known as a hole-in-one. He nipped down to the DIY store and reconnected his damaged piece of cable with a little bit of a junction box just to see him through, and then gave us a call and said, "Help!" Now, David said he wasn't really interested in having the socket down low, but would rather have it higher up the wall because he was going to put in one of those hand cleaning devices, powered ones, Dyson I think. So we put the socket into the wall, covered up the cables with some trunking or some conduit, and plastered back. Now again, if David had used a stud detector or even thought about it, where are the sockets, where are the switches, he'd have realised that cables were going to be running up and down between each unit. But hey, we fixed him, we got him sorted. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube video channel and hit that little notification bell to be informed when we release some more videos.